Hello everyone, myself Dr. Saugata Mahato, pediatric gastroenterologist and hepatologist from Ranchi, Jharkhand. Today I will share a story of a difficult foreign body ingestion which we recently removed. The boy came in miserable condition from Simdega, which is a rural district in Jharkhand, to our hospital. The child was having recurrent vomiting and difficulty in swallowing for last 2 months. Parents were not sure. There was no definite history. There were multiple x-rays done outside and nothing was picked up. Finally, some CCT scan picked up that something is stuck in the lower end of esophagus causing dilatation of it. However, there was no definite. Later on, we realized that actually what happened. The child was taking mango approx 2 months back, which was a big mango season, and while eating the mango, the child also ate the mango seed, and this seed got stuck at the lower end of esophagus. We decided to do upper GI endoscopy. This is our Olympus machine, and in upper GI endoscopy we entered the scope, which has a fitted camera in the front of it, from esophagus, which is the food pipe, then into the stomach, then mostly up to duodenum. However, in this case, when we entered into the esophagus, we saw that the esophagus is full of food materials, including some solid food materials. There was no clear visibility. So after using water jets and Rocknet forceps, we were able to clear the esophagus a little bit, and we could see that there is a mango seed stuck at GE junction. So initially we tried to remove it with Rocknet forceps. This forceps has a net-like structure, and if we are able to hold the foreign body within this net-like structure, then it is possible to remove it. However, here the mango seed was larger than the size of the net, so this attempt failed. Then we decided that we will try with tooth biopsy forceps. In this case, we were able to hold it with the tooth forceps. However, it was not coming out because it was impacted at the GE junction. So this attempt with tooth forceps also failed. Then we thought, let's try pushing it into the stomach. So we gently and very slowly pushed it into the stomach. After this thing is done, we could see that the esophagus is cleared and the mango seed is now in the fundus. Here there was better space so that we can grab it with the forceps. Then we use two instruments combined here to save and to not cause further mucosal injury. One was Dormia basket, which has a 4-pronged basket, and one was protective hood. So after loading the protective hood, we re-entered and we held the mango seed with the Dormia basket, and slowly this thing was pulled into the protective hood and slowly the scope was pulled out. So here the mango seed was removed in toto without causing any further mucosal damage. On follow-up, the child had no post-procedure complications, vomiting had resolved, and the child had regained weight. Thank you.